Welcome to a new episode, and we are all set for today's podcast, right?
Which country would you like to visit except India?
So, there is still a lot to explore in India, but yes, apart from India, Switzerland is where I would like to go next.
Who is your favorite author?
There are many, but Simon Sinek is whom I really follow, and I love reading his books.
Ma'am, what does being educated mean to you?
Being educated means that I am a lifelong learner and I am willing to learn every day from everyone and everywhere.
What was your dream job during your school time?
Honestly, I wanted to join the defense forces or I wanted to become pilot, but I think what I'm doing right now also is what I love. So I'm happy where I am.
So, ma'am, my question is that how would you describe our school in one word?
So may I describe in 3 words?
Yes, ma'am.
Temple of learning.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singers are my music teachers, those who are working in Sanjeevani World School and teaching you melody. We have Reena ma'am, we have Seema ma'am, we have Saurabh sir, we have Vikas sir. They all make our music department so lovely and melodious, right?
Which award is most prestigious to you or your school?
The World Book of Record that we made in 2020 from UK, that is one of the most prestigious one.
Who is the one famous person or celebrity who inspires you the most?
Naming one won't be right because there are many. So rather than going to celebrity or famous person, I'll say Lord Krishna inspires me the most.
Ma'am, I just wanted to ask you that which is your best school memory?
So I have a treasure box of memories, but if I have to tell you about one, I think every Monday morning when I used to say, thank God it's Monday and we are back to school.
What do you think is the most important skill a student should learn?
The skill of lifelong learning, that's very important to learn. If you have the skill of lifelong learning, then the way things are changing now, you'll keep on upgrading yourself for that. So it is very important that you have the skill of lifelong learning and self-learning.
Ma'am, how did Sanjeevani World School become so successful and famous?
Thank you so much. First of all, I'm happy that you know Sanjeevani World School is successful and famous. It is successful and famous because of three important factors. One, you student, and second, we as school, and third, your parents. This collaboration makes our school successful.
Ma'am, which is the old way of teaching that you would love us to grow out of?
Already with national education policy, lot of old way of teachings you have grown out of, even we as educators have grown out of. One thing which I don't want you to do is rote learning. Don't rote learn.
Ma'am, what was the first book you have ever read?
Technically nursery rhyme, yes, because from there we started. But yes, when I started reading novels, then I think I started with Famous Five, Nancy Drew. There were many of our era. And now if you ask me, I read more of motivational book, leadership book like Simon Sinek, I just said. These are few of the books I love reading.
Ma'am, if you were the Prime Minister of the India, what changes would you bring in education?
Little difficult question and tricky also. I think what I will do, I will appoint a very good and skilled education minister, okay, who will look into the changes. And that education minister can be one of our teacher also, right? Or one of you also.
Who was your mentor when you were a kid?
So my first and forever mentors are my parents, my mother and my father.
Which teacher influenced you the most and why?
If you are looking for an individual person, I think that is not what I'm going to tell. Nature as a teacher inspires me the most. Why? Because, you know, when we talk about Panchatattva, so there is so much to learn from them. That is the research for you, how and why you get inspired by nature.
Ma'am, what is one thing that students talk about you that is completely wrong?
For this, I think I will have to go to students and ask them. So you are the best one who can answer this. I don't know what all they talk about me, but I'm okay with that.
Ma'am, last year you went for KBC to support Shreyas Dangas. So, how was the feeling that came during that period of time, and how was your experience there?
We have grown up seeing Big B on the screen, right? Big screen, small screen. So seeing him sitting right in front of you, that's the feeling you can't describe in word. But yes, I learned so much from him. At this age also, he's so active, his enthusiasm. And the best part was he makes each and every participant so comfortable that they can nicely sit, think and answer the questions. Since you have asked me so much about myself, right? You were trying to know more about me. Now I want to know more about myself from you. So the question from my side is, tell me something about me as a principal that you would like to convey to me?
Always joyful,
dedicated,
spiritual,
Ambitious.
Kind,
down to earth,
Responsible.
talentful,
honest,
positive,
religious,
enthusiastic,
passionate,
zero attitude,
Aesthetic.
intelligent,
creative.
peaceful.
So it means I have increased my aura point, right? Yes. So thank you so much. We have these smart students from grade 8 with whom we played today our own KBC, that is rapid fire round. And yes, your questions were very intriguing. They were intelligent question, and sometimes, giving answer in sentences and paragraphs is very easy, but giving answer in one word or one sentence is equally difficult. So thank you for those difficult questions.